Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diamond Rush. This classic puzzle platformer challenges you to become a daring explorer. Your main objective is to venture through perilous labyrinths, collecting every single diamond you find. Once all gems are secured, the exit opens, allowing you to progress. The game features over 40 exciting levels, spread across 3 unique environments, each presenting its own set of challenges and secrets to uncover. Get ready for an adventure. Navigating the intricate levels requires careful movement and interaction. You'll use simple directional controls to guide your character. A key mechanic involves pushing boulders. These can clear your path, trigger switches, or even be used to defeat enemies. Additionally, you can dig through soft dirt, which is essential for revealing secret passages, finding hidden diamonds, and accessing new sections of the map. Mastering these basic interactions is crucial for success. As you delve deeper, you'll encounter numerous dangers. Falling rocks are a constant threat, requiring quick reflexes to avoid being crushed. You'll also face a variety of enemies, including slithering snakes, venomous spiders, and even formidable knights. To overcome these foes, you often need to think creatively. For instance, you can strategically drop boulders on them or lure them into environmental traps. Staying alert and planning your moves will keep you safe. To truly master Diamond Rush, leverage all available tools and strategies. You'll find helpful items such as hammers to break blocks and compasses to guide you. Always be on the lookout for secret passages and hidden rooms, which often contain extra diamonds or valuable bonuses. Careful planning is paramount. One wrong move can leave you trapped by boulders or surrounded by enemies. Think several steps ahead to efficiently collect all gems and achieve a perfect score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.